Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, boys and coming in the building, like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, and we there with another
Inside,
banger.
inside.
banger. But right before we get in it guys, as usual, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber. Anyway, no more itching, right into it. Alright peeps, we're gonna do our first reaction vid. Alright, so for those of you who living under a rock, pretty much Ricky Trooper and Tony Matterhorn been going back and forth about who was Vybz Kartel and who get the biggest forwarder. Our event playing the Vybz Kartel song and Ray who bring Vybz Kartel forth and one bag of thing. So this is selector war. But anyway, I could get right tonight because Mr. Vegas have a message for the two of them.
I don't know, so them not go too like me, you know, because me a man burn them straight, you know. Now, them artists are up on the internet and them people are up on the internet are fight over who did help who like who did write songy who did this, who did that, who did said this, who did said that. John Star, when it come like some big waste people, look on what go on the earth. And for you say, right, for you using a platform for even say, yo, artists, make we come together and say if we can, you know, come up with an idea how we can give back something to the people them we support with, for we used to have nothing. And the people them come on stage show, come jump up and ball for we. So we can reach somewhere a big house now where they are. I tell people about with things and we I tell people about this, we I tell people about that. And I tell people about what people did say. And all of them fuckery there. This way I say, that's why I'm not gonna like me, you know. Because them they are trying to say, yo, what we can plan now? Seeing, to help them people here now. And I can't find nobody for execute none of the plan them. Seeing, we don't have no unity, we don't have no love in our own, you know. You know this crisis here. You know, come like say, someone who believe in a judgment. See, you don't believe say God will come on them things. See, you don't believe in a biblical things. Then let's say, right then. Let's say a judgment day is about to come now. We don't fight over who did this and who did that and music this and music that and railway. We don't even know if we're not going to get to perform for the next 1 year or 2 years. Because enough of them people are going to not even make us come perform in a crowd and them thing there again until that thing come under control the right way. Because people are get reinfected with a disease or a virus. Yeah. Seeing? One of the internet, that's some know so now some dunce, you know, artists, you know. I want to select, you know, one have some dunce, you know. One no read, one no look at information and try educate on yourself. When you get a little break, I want to take a little break and for you educate on yourself and try and pick up some book or buy a little book and read. One of the internet a fight over foolishness. Yes, when I say, give thanks to the money you have, give thanks to the house you have, give thanks to whatever you have and you can afford like a food and them thing. You know. Make we think about the people them, what we say line up, thousands of people line up and try to get food, or hundreds of people line up and try to get food. Some of the people them don't even have a mask. Seeing, we can't figure out like how Rihanna try to buy some mask and send go give Barbados. And them say the US government take it away. But make we even try something now. Make we even try one little something, man. Make we even try say, yo, make we set up a cash app or something for somebody where we can trust in the industry. And send one little $1,000, $500, $200 to the cash app. And make it reach somebody's hands where can buy some food or something for the people them. You understand me? I say, you know, they are fight over fuckery. You see someone, you know, for go, you know. That's how I'm not gonna like me, you know. That's why I'm not an artist friend, you know. I'm not keep an artist friend, man, because I'm not too selfish and half for self, man. I'm not go.
Wins that, Rimwick 1, Lockwood 2, Lacto 1-3, Tsunami 4, and Yo 5. Beat him on the world record holder in 6, he's back a bit early. Is the top in 7, Fraser Holmes in 8, and out very hard is on. Clean start, Rimwick 1, Lockwood 2, Lacto 1-3, Tsunami 4, and Yo 5. Beat him on the world record holder in 6, he's back a bit early. Is the top in 7, Fraser Holmes in 8, and out very hard is on.
Not bad. Alright peeps, next video now.
You buy with your body count. A McChicken because it's $1. That's all I can get with it.
$1. What happened to your voice?
2 McChickens.
2 McChickens.
Maybe 3.
Okay, you keep going up.
I have the coronavirus, that's why I don't have a voice. So clean the mic after this.
What's him no feel? Sorry for him really. First of all, you should be inside.
Inside.
Second of all, if you come out, why you not have a mask on? Or a gloves on?
It was at this moment.
No social distancing now going right this up. You clearly can see a bag of people in the background. Da da dee. Da da da.
Not necessarily classified as essential, but the truth is that in the current configuration of technology and how society works, they are. Oh! Well, my point, I believe, is made.
Do you know another question was about JPS?
Since night that happened, you know, so that's why I wake up so early. You like lock off in a big old speech. JPS and all lock off like pan people. Really? Come on, JPS. Pan the honorable bro God as them not call him. JPS, you know no man as JPS. None. Alright, peeps. Last video I know.
Westby might just have a hand in shaping the future. The CEO of vending machine maker 3 Square Market literally opening doors with automation that's turning some workers into high-tech machines of sorts. This is a lot more than just some sort of novelty to you.
It is. It's reality. With all of the interest we've seen in it, I can tell this is definitely the future.
By injecting a rice-sized microchip into a willing employee's hand, all kinds of data can be programmed into them, from driver's licenses and medical ID cards to logging onto computers.
You have to hold it up to something such as this.
Even purchasing snacks in the company break room. More than 50 employees have volunteered. How much did that hurt?
Didn't really hurt a lot.
A third holding off for now.
It kind of freaks me out a little bit.
Some experts suggest caution. Among the concerns, ID theft, health, and whether the chips can be tracked by GPS.
Most people don't really understand how this technology works, what data is collected, how it's stored, or who might be able to get access to it legally or illegally.
3 Square says their employees cannot be tracked by satellite. Melissa Timmons was skeptical, but is now chipped.
Yeah, right now it's only to buy a candy bar and get in our building, but there's a lot more that's going to be coming with it.
Chips off the new block.
I'll choose to pay with my hand here.
Cool and technology, once again, hand in hand. Ron Mott, NBC News, River Falls, Wisconsin.
Alright, peeps, my take on the whole matter. Me nah put no chip in my hand, that me and me couldn't know. So you better keep on the idea America, yeah? Cause I know say Jamaica like fi. As America sneeze, we catch it, you know? Everything. Yeah, so I'm telling you something from right now. my thoughts on the whole matter. Keep it. When I have to use a guillotine and chop off my head, my faith in a God. 100%. No matter if I can't take back on a visa. My family them on farm. Me go work down there. Me detach from the system. Me save my money in my house somewhere. Adapt me and make you know. So burn off that thought there from now. I rather dead in my faith. Anyway, what regarding Mr. Vegas, a real talk Mr. Vegas I make still. Real talk. Mr. Vegas make. You know what I mean? In spite of what people look upon him or how people see him, a real talk. He makes some real talk still. Even the previous video, the whole Vibes Cartel thing. You know what I mean? And you can go watch it. You know what I mean? So, guys, just comment down below and let me know your thoughts. And let me know what you think. So drop the comment down there, sir. Thank you for watching. And just go on journey with your boy. Ah, shoo!
Yeah, yeah.